Originally built in 2018, but too mind-blowing that had to be extended all the way till now and closing in 2027. Now they asked me to come here in shots. Let's see why. Simplicity here is about the medium. It's a high gain black matte installation against the wall, and this brings out the colors that you're seeing through the projection. Even the floor is projection. It's all glass with an underlayer of black, and all the magic is happening just with projection. This is interesting. They're using a foam for protection, and then it continues into felt. Look at how the colors still pop on this material. Check this massive cluster of projection. Simple IR trackers linked to the projection. It recognizes these devices, and as I place it, it maps in the content. Old school, cool magic. Are you ready to see my art with my drawing tool? I love the logic on this real-time animation where things pop and stop based on artwork that's created. Interactive and real-time. Check this. Simple pieces of wood with magnet. Bring it to life. There you go. See, it senses its position, and then the content obviously is mapped to bounce off. Check these out. These are blobs on which you can walk. The projection mapping on them as well as on the walls around it. Here in the ceiling, a lot of projectors, and the sensors trigger content change as you step on the color. How cool is it? How cool is that? You see the reaction, it's all in real time. You have to bounce on your planet and glide through the Milky Way. Interesting. Vertical garden on kinetic benches. The magic here is done by fogging the water. It's been made milky so that projection can happen on this. I'm standing in almost 30 cm deep water. We're in a room of approximately only 20 by 20. I see 15 projectors in the ceiling with sensors, but the mirrors do the magic, making this scale. That was amazing and unique. From sensors to sense to projection mapping, water, gravity, and you. It just disconnects you from the rest of the world and into this digital space. And this ends in 2027, so make sure if you're in Japan, you visit it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for some amazing tech on the Technologist.